So namhlanje Orlando Pirates ikhiphe i-club statement. Orlando Pirates namhlanje ikhiphe i-club statement regarding indaba yaMona Pulesaling. Semazi sonke bafethu uMona Pulesaling is one of the best players be-Orlando Pirates. Yabo ziningi indondo uMona Pulesaling asekasiza siyiwine in the last 2 seasons. uMona Pulesaling semazi sonke. So aseke sisifundele le club statement le. Abangayibonanga le club statement noma uma ufuna ukuyifundela ungaya ku website Orlando Pirates noma uye kumakhasi yabo kuma-pages yabo sengibiza amakhasi njengesiZulu kuma-pages we-Orlando Pirates ungaya ku-Facebook ungaya Instagram, not Instagram per se but ungaya ka-Twitter and you will see i-link uklikhe kuyona leyo link yabo mungayibonanga-ke ngakufundela la noma ungalitholi mungangizwa kahle ungayiphoza ivideo yabo ufunde nawo but-ke azizameni ukuyifunda yabo isingisi ngisazi kahle but ngizozama ukunifundela bachaza kabanzi ngodaba lo mfana lo uMona Pulesaling nodatshana oluncane lukatito Maswanganyi yabo. So asike sizwe bayasho la, as Orlando Pirates Football Club, we have noted with great concern a growing trend of misinformation circulating on social media and in certain media outlets regarding alleged offers for some of our players. Ordinarily, the club refrains from engaging with baseless rumors aimed at creating unnecessary sensationalism and clickbait. However, the persistence and escalation of these unsubstantiated claims on how compel us to set the record straight. The misinformation began with a fabricated story regarding Mona Pulesaling, alleging that the club denied the player a lucrative transfer to a team in the Middle East. Uma uyikhumbula indaba Mona Pulesaling with the club Middle East, sengayikhuluma le ndaba le before yabo ngibonile i-reports about Mona Pulesaling kawushawu live lapha ngabatshela abantu ukuthi i-team ifuna Mona Pulesaling kumele ize kuMona Pulesaling abo kumele ize ku-Orlando Pirates. You cannot talk with the player yabo. So bayasho la, initially we choose to disregard this as yet another false narrative meant to explain the player's temporary absence from the playing squad. Unfortunately, the story has since gained unwarranted traction, even being picked up by some mainstream media outlets. Yabo. But now I got facts. Well, stay tell my facts here right now. Because that's misinformation in the Mona Pulesaling efunwa team yale Middle East. But the Orlando Pirates Club categorically denies ever receiving any offer from a Middle Eastern club for the services of Mona Pulesaling. But abakaze bathole ma-offers aqhamuka le Middle East regarding Mona Pulesaling. And uzubona le indaba lezi zaziyimanga vele. Sasingazi sitshela ukuthi yiphi leyo club leyo. Kuthiwa on the 30th of January, Kickoff published indaba. They published a story regarding Mona Pulesaling. But the Gulf region team was serious about Saling. Yabo, a story claiming that an agent, Rui Frois, met with the high-ranking Pirates official to discuss Saling's availability. Yabo. Iyashi Club uthi the club does not conduct its business in malls. Ngengaze beqondeni lapho noma bebebhuqa noma beshaya ijoke. But no official from Orlando Pirates Club has spoken with Mr. Rui Frois regarding this matter. Yabo, amayiklem uRui Frois i-agent yaMona Pulesaling singesazi yabo. Bakhuluma futhi ngendaba ya Patrick Tito Maswanganyi. Patrick Tito Maswanganyi bathi on January 2025, Briefly News Sports published an article titled Portuguese Club Eyes Bid for 40 million rated Orlando Pirates star. Once again, the club categorically rejects this as a gossip. But i-gossip lindaba ya Tito Maswanganyi ukuthi befunwa i-club. Yabo, ngeke ngakhuluma le ndaba le izolo. Ngestory ade ngisibona sa Patrick Tito Maswanganyi efunwa i-club yale ku 40 million. No such offer has been presented to the club. It is deeply troubling that these baseless stories are not only misleading but also serve to disrupt the focus of our players and destabilize the team. This is unacceptable. Yabo. bathi nje unacceptable. As a professional organization, Orlando Pirates Football Club remains committed to conducting our business with the integrity and transparency. We urge the media outlets and individuals to verify information before publishing, as false reporting not only harms the players and the club but also diminishes the credibility of the platforms involved. Yabo. We thank our supporters for their unwavering trust and encourage them to rely on official channels and accurate updates. Yabo. Base baposta ke bejimela le game boyidlala against i-Royal AM. Simbonile Mona Pule-Saleng ubuyile bafethu. I don't know if le game i-Royal AM isazoqhubeka because I saw a tweet. Ngibona i-tweet ya Andile Ncube. I saw a tweet ya Andile Ncube uthi ngimsearch lo Andile Ncube. Andile Ncube. I saw i-tweet ka Andile Ncube ekhuluma le ndaba le ukuthi I don't think le game le izoba khona. But ke now to a breaking. Despite that, Royal AM FC told Super Jono and I on Metro FM that the game against Orlando Pirates will not go ahead. All Betway Prem Royal AM fixtures will indefinitely postponed, including cup games. Futhi games Royal AM azoba postponed. Because lento lo we usathanda kuyikhipha. We posted an hour ago. Yebo. Ngisazi ukuthi igame izoba khona noma cha. But Mona Pule-Saleng uyajima neclub bafethu ubuyile umfana. Siyambona noNda. Ngiyangijabulisa ukubona uNda bafethu. Ngiyangijabulisa impela ukubona uNda ubuyile. Njengoba noNda bayithethwa Ndlondlo ngingazi ukuthi ubalo. Basiyambona salibona iHopas bafethu. Awuma lo mfana omncane angathi angayithola igame time mfethu angathi ayithola igame time awe Thapelo Xoki uShaka Zulu yabo babuyile abafethu so prepare le game against i-Royal AM and the Soweto Derby and obviously so dlala futhi against i-Rangers BFC. So singasho ukuthi ama games lawa esobe sijima kuona prepare for i-derby bafethu iyadlala ngomhla ka-1 ungenalo ithikithi sorry bafethu ithi amathikithi asephelile sold out njengoba nibona la Mona Pule-Saleng bafethu ngiyambona bafethu ngiyambona umjida singesazi noma ujabule noma cha but iclub icacisile lokho namhlanje usumfana akayindawo yabo mhlawumbe yimi ongasazi singisi ungangitshela ama comments ukuthi uyahamba impela and but bashilo lapho uthi cha Mona Pule-Saleng ngahamba ngingamboni nje engadlali it's not because le club yale eMiddle East ebimpuna apparently yabo akahamba cha it's not akusiyona leyo ndaba leyo akusiyo nje leyo ndaba bafethu Mona Pule-Saleng ujimela iSoweto Derby so nje kumele nikulindele lokuthi iSoweto Derby ziyokhala masothi ngomhla 8 February umjito uzobe khona masidlala against le team le iMamelodi Sundowns so bezidlala away kuleyo match leyo yabo so kuningi kuzokwenzeka le nyanga lesi esiya kuyona ngoFebruary kumele senze sure ukuthi siyawathola ama points angempela noma bese ngasithola ama points amaningi ngoFebruary so banomfutho ukuthi mase siya le kodlala ama quarter finals eCAF mhlambe sodlala amnandi eChampions League yabo so ungangitshela lapho angale indaba leseyikhishwe iOrlando Pirates yabo i-statement ezikanje bafethu kumele siyithathe serious because iclub kuyakhombisa impela ukuthi at the background bayasebenza at the background hayi ngoba behleli nje beyibuka indaba yabo bayasebenza but ke njengoba nibona i-tweet eshulo baba lo Andile Ncube ngenza igame iOrlando Pirates against i-Royal AM ingadlala yabo angazi nina niyithatha kanjani lezo indaba lezo ngezwe nginama comments ungakhohlwa usubscribe uVane Sports lo ngiyabonga bafethu.